Here you go. It just takes practice, George. Keep at it, and you'll be hooting in no time.
George found that practicing took a lot of patience.
You did it, George! Can I try now? That's the greatest thing ever! You know what we need? Another jug!
George wondered why the jugs made different sounds. Who played the jug didn't matter. Where they played didn't either. Maybe it was the size that changed the sound. George needed more jugs to figure it out. George was right. The size of the jugs made the difference. The small jugs made high tooting sounds. The big jugs made deep, low sounds.
I thought you kids might be thirsty after working all day on whatever it is you're doing.
Thanks, Grandma. Oh, you think these would work? Yep, they hoot all right. Hang on, it changed. How come it changed?
The bottles were exactly the same size. So what else could it be?
The water.
The amount of water in the bottle definitely changed the hoot. And without water, they hooted the same.
Yeah, more water. Look, George, everybody's showing up for our hootenanny. Yeah, they're not here. Grandma, when's the band coming?
It isn't,
They're not.
'cause in a hootenanny, we are the band.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. A hootenanny is about everybody making music together.
Oh! Huh?
And you can't have a hootenanny without a tuba. I brought you an instrument too, George. You want to play those instead? I can't wait to hear it.